In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to check if someone read your text message, right? And how we can find it. So the first thing over here, if I go to my messages over here, I have to select something here called personal. So this is one of my personal number in which I have already sent a message, hey, but it is not showing whether it is delivered or it is received or read by them. It's not showing anything. The thing is, they might have accidentally turned off the read recipient in the message setting. So if you're having this kind of trouble, you have to do this on your opposite board. For example, I have to do it on my other phone, but even though I'm just giving you how you can do it if you're facing this kind of an issue. So what you need to do is the same thing. You have to go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down. Keep scrolling down, navigate to the apps. Now from here go to the search here and you have to type here for message app. Tap on the messages. Now from here, if you scroll it down a little bit, you can see there is an option called send receipt over here. Make sure this is turned on, right? So what happens is when this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages over here. So make sure that you turn on this on the device which you're having trouble with. Always make sure this is turning on. This is a good practice as well. So that is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.